Looking to score the best deals on train tickets in the US? You're in the right place. Let me guide you through some super simple ways to save money while making the most of your rail travels. First up, standard discounts. Traveling with kids? Here's the deal. Kids under 2 ride free when accompanied by a paying adult. One little one per adult, of course. Got kids between 2 and 13? They get reduced fares too. Perfect for a family trip, right? Seniors, you're not left out. If you're 65 or older, Amtrak offers a 10% discount on certain fares. Just keep in mind, this won't apply to the lowest saver fares or upgrades like sleeper rooms. But hey, every little bit helps. Another great tip? Watch out for Amtrak Sales. They run these promotions throughout the year, and the savings can be impressive. Seriously, mark your calendar or sign up for their alerts. These deals go fast. And if you're a frequent traveler, consider joining the Amtrak Guest Rewards program. It's like frequent flyer miles, but for trains. Every trip earns you points, which you can cash in for free tickets or upgrades. Just pop your rewards number in when booking, and watch those points add up. Now, let's talk about the big one, USA Rail Passes. If you're planning an epic train adventure across the US, this is the way to go. Amtrak offers 3 passes, 8 segments in 15 days, 12 segments in 30 days, or 18 segments in 45 days. A segment is any single train ride, whether it's a cross-country marathon or a quick suburban jaunt. The pass is a game changer for travelers, but here's a pro tip. You'll still need to reserve your spot on each train. And since passes rely on saver and value fares, it's smart to book your trips early, especially on popular routes. Lastly, flexibility is your best friend. Traveling midweek or during off-peak hours. That's when you're most likely to find saver and value fares, the cheapest options. Planning ahead can really pay off here. Those fares don't stick around forever. Saving money on train travel doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning, some savvy membership perks, and a keen eye for deals, you'll be riding the rails without breaking the bank. Safe travels.